Good morning, friends. We are up and at it this morning. We are starting strong. This video is going to be a clean with me / cleaning motivation type video. I have purposely been letting my apartment get super grimy the past week or so, both by accident and sort of intentionally, because I wanted the best effect for this video. This is the first day of our vacation, so it's the first day. I have basically the next, what I figure out, 16 days off. So I'm going to be spending a lot of it at home in my apartment, so I thought it'd be a really great start to that if I just did a total clean sweep, got everything looking really nice and comfortable, and then that way the next 2 weeks I can just enjoy my apartment and not have to worry about all the other stuff, worry about cleaning as much as I would need to normally. Just sit back and enjoy. One thing real quick I forgot to mention, to help me with cleaning, I made lists for every room of what needs to be cleaned. So I talked about them in yesterday's video, and so for each room I went in and I said, like the living room right now is the one I'm looking at. So it's like, okay, I need to clean the coffee table, I need to take care of equipment, I need to vacuum, I need to take care of presents, I need to to collapse boxes, stuff like that. In addition to that, as a reward for myself, I got some Amazon packages in. I had 2 come in yesterday, and I'm going to have 2 or 3 more come in today. So I told myself you cannot open your packages until you get your work done. So sort of a little incentive to help me work quicker. So hopefully that'll work. bathroom done, and I think we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. It's 2 o'clock now. Dee is so mad at me because I've been back here listening to music for like the past hour or so as I finish up, and she's trying to sleep because it's her sleepy times. And oh my gosh, she's so angry. Look at her though. She's so precious. Oh, it's so cute. I love her. Anyways, so go back to sleep. I'm sorry. So my DSLR cut out because I was out of room on my card, which has been happening a lot today. So what I was saying is that I have new drip pans coming in for my stove in my kitchen, and those are going to be one of my Amazon packages, so I'll open those up. So in the meantime, let's open what we have. I did open one thing that came in today because I thought it was said drip pans, and that is an OXO Good Grip cookie press. I really like spritz cookies at Christmas time, and that's one of the things that my sister and I decided to make. So every year for Christmas, we just go to a local casino and we have a nice buffet, and then we come back and watch movies and open presents. And we always get hungry towards the end of the day, so I wanted to make snacks this year, and one of the things I'm going to make is spritz cookies. And she didn't have her press anymore, so I was like, I'll just buy one, it's no big deal. And it was an Amazon warehouse. It looked like this was a return, so I got it for like $5 cheaper than it should be. So let's open up our other prizes. Hang on a second. Can you help me here, sweet Dee? Hang on a second. This is not a good angle, I'm sorry, but I got you sitting on top of the hamster cage and she's looking up at it like, what the hell? So first we have a new flat top kabuki brush. These are my preferred brushes for putting on my Bare Minerals foundation. They're very nice, very flat, go on very good. I like these better than like big fluffy ones because I just feel like you get more control. So mine was looking a little dingy and I wanted to get some new stuff. So that's what that is. The other thing I'm going to have, and this is kind of a teaser for a later video that I'm going to be making, is that I feel very strongly about lotion, like hand lotion, different types of hand lotion. And I wanted to do a video like talking about that. And so I was out of my absolute favorite lotion, so I bought new. And this is H2O Beauty Specialty Care Hand and Nail Cream. This is great stuff, as I will talk about in more detail in the specific video that I have coming up. And this brush is just Keshima Flaunt Your Beauty Flat Top Kabuki Brush. It's a good brush. I don't know if it's like professionally good, but I like it. And I really don't know what this is then. Let's see what we got here. I got rid of my Amazon Prime because, you know, fuck Amazon. But, so I've not had it all year. And what the fuck? Oh, I was like, what the hell? Okay, so I stopped using my Amazon Prime account because, like I said, fuck Amazon. But I had a lot of things kind of coming and going this last week, and they're like, just do free shipping. And I'm like, okay, I'll sign up for Amazon for a month, and then after the first of the year, I'm going to cancel it again. So this is a gift card, actually from my friend Alicia, who lives in Oregon. So she sent me a $25 Amazon gift card, which is solid, and she sent it in this adorable little tin, which I can then repurpose as a ornament, which I most definitely will. So thank you, my friend. I enjoy this. I will buy something fun with it, and thank you for that. All right. We're gonna set this stuff aside real quick. Don't lose this. So I think that's it for today. Light. I'm having problems right now because my camera, my DSLR captures really high quality video. And that's all well and good, but I don't really need high quality video to like upload to YouTube. So I'm right now in the process of encoding stuff and like reducing it to hopefully make it sit on my hard drive better. We'll see. And hopefully that'll make things easier on me. So I'm just gonna go in and finish some cleaning stuff last minute and go from there. So thanks guys for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.